Then you see question number 3. In question number 3, we are going to prepare the table first. After preparing the table, we are going to construct the pie chart. I will try to explain how to draw the pie chart. Simple. Here, basic, superior, there is a hotel. In that one, different types of rooms are there. Basic rooms, superior and deluxe and family suites. Okay. Basic 80 rooms are there, and superior 60 are there, deluxe 40 are there, family suites 20 are there. Total number of, here see, 80, 60, 40, 20, total is 200. Okay. How to get the fraction? Individual value upon total. Into 360 you will be get the central angle. I given the central angle formula above also, I explained to you. So you are getting the fraction is 80 by 200 and you multiply by 360, you are getting 144 degrees. And like second one is 108 and 72 and 36 degrees. Total must be 360 only, because we are going to use the circle only. Clear to you? That is an important part to you. Just I will show for this how to draw the this already drawn one. It is given to you. You observe. Just I will show to you first. I will explain to you the important points how to construct the pie chart. Just you observe. First you are making the circle. First you are making the circle with any radius. Okay. For example, this 2 centimeter circle is this. So you are making the radius from here to here. And you are keeping your protractor like this. Yes. And you are taking the 144 degrees. So by observing here 144 is there. Then you join with here and you are getting 144 degrees here. This is only, nothing is there. So first part clear. Okay. Second part, how to continue. Now your protractor, your base radius is this. Okay. Now you are keeping protractor like this. Okay. And your continuously is there. Then what is next degree is 36. So you observe on the protractor, you will get 36 and you again join from here. Okay. Now next base is yours this. Okay. Second part over. And third part. Now you are taking with the respect of this base. How much angle is there? 72. Again you are keeping the protractor like this and at 72 is here. So you are going to make the radius again. So first part over, second part over, third part over. Now you are taking the radius, need to take anything, and remaining part we are starting from here only. So automatically these two bases are completed. So this is came. Like this we can construct the pie chart by using the central angle. I think clear to you with protractor only. First you are constructing the circle with a fixed radius. I mean 2 centimeter I am saying. After that you construct a particular place a radius. From that radius you go move forward of the given central angle. You will be get the pie chart. It is correct only. Okay. Just we will talk about the question number 4 here. You see question number 4. In question number 4, here languages Hindi, English, Marathi, Bengali, Tamil. A number of students are given in Hindi 40, English 12 and Marathi 7, Bengali 4, Tamil 9. Same as in the above question, different types of rooms are given. Here also we are going to get the fraction by particular upon total. You are adding all these, you are getting the total, and particular you know 40 upon total into 360 will be get the central angle. I will show the central angle table to you. Just to see. This is the central angle table. I explained in the last, same as like that only. You observe this is 40 and your total is 72 into 360. 40 upon 72 into 360. You are getting 200 degrees. And in the next one, you are getting 60. And third one, 35. And fourth one, 20. And 45. These are the calculation. Simple. Your particular value upon total into 360. That is central angle. I given the formula and this is the second question I am explaining to you. I think it is clear to you. After that, you are going to construct the pie chart. Okay. So here, pie chart already one I explained. Then I will try to roughly explaining to you. Right. So just observe here. For example, roughly I am showing to you. This is circle you are constructing with the compass. Okay. This is center. You are taking the radius from here to here. you are joining. What is first angle is here? 200 degrees. Now you are keeping the protractor like this. Okay. It is 180. Clearly it is 180. And 20 degrees you are taking more this. And again you are protracting that like this. After 180 you are keeping this. And 20 degrees. 180 plus 20 is 200 will come. This total is 200. Then 60 degrees. Now you see in this circle, this is 180. Clear to you? This is 180 and you are taking 20 more, means up to here 200. Now you are taking the base of this and you are keeping the protractor like this. And next is 60 degrees. So you are marking 60 and you are adding like this. So I will show to you. So this is your circle and this is center and this is first radius and this is 200. And next is yours 60 degrees over. Yes, now you are keeping the protractor like this and taking next degree is 35. So you are observing 35 and keeping here from the center. Clear to you? Then you will be clear that one. Main thing is your circle is with center 2 centimeter and you are making the fixed radius. With the base of this you are keeping the protractor like this every time. First part 200 degrees. So this straight is 180 and 20 degrees extra taken. For example, this is over your 200. Then this is the base now to continue the next radius. So you are keeping the protractor like this and you are taking 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees yours. So second part, first part over, second part over, and next time you are taking this radius now base and you are keeping the protractor again and taking the 35 degrees here. Clear to you? Then third part will come. Like this, go on keeping the protractor on the radius, you will be get the answer. Like that, if I am showing that it was already prepared, this is 200 degrees. You see, I will show again. For example, it is straight line. So this is 20 degrees and again you are keeping the protractor here and this is 45 degrees and again you are keeping the protractor here and you are taking 20 degrees and again you are keeping the protractor here and you are getting 35 degrees and again you are keeping the protractor here and you are taking the 60 degrees. So like this you are getting the pie chart. Clear to you? Best of level I tried that one. You are constructing the angles by protractor only. So clear to you? And practically if you do, it will become very easy. In question number 5 also we are going to construct the pie chart only. You are going to do that. Only I am going to give the table to you. How to construct the table? I mean how to construct the central angle table. It is not frequency distribution table. It is central angle table. Again the same meaning will become here if you observe. It is given workers. Number of workers 75 and foreman is 60. Supervisors are 27. They are doing different work and engineers are 36 and manager 18 and total numbers is 216. So for example, for worker is 75 upon total 200 multiply by 360 because central angle we want to get. So 75 will come. Second one 100 will come, then 45 will come, then 60 will come, then 70. As I explained in the previous sum, same as you are making the circle first with 2 centimeter radius and you are joining first. Clear to you? You want to construct for 75. You are keeping protractor like this and select the 75 and take the ruler and join this. This is 75. First part over. Clear to you? And again for the 100 degrees, you are taking the base of this. This is the base radius and you are keeping the protractor like this and you are taking the 100 degrees. See 90 straight, 100 means little bit cross. So this is part 1, this is part 2. Like this you are going to continuation. If you are trying the radius, you will be get the answer clear. Okay. Thank you very much. And you are going to practice with instruments. You will feel good and you will be get the perfect answers. Okay. See, we are continuing from the previous topic. That is last topic. It is probability of this chapter. Here I am explaining the probability. Generally we have chances. We refer the word chances. In sometimes you can observe in the railway station, train आने की संभावना है. Sambhavana means it is a probability, but may not come at particular time. If they come, they will be tell 10 minutes late or 1 hour late it is going to come. If they don't know about particular time, but they will be come, they don't know at what time it is going to come, then they will be use the word आने की संभावना है. So this word refers the probability. Then we are say chance. So I will give some definition about that one. You observe here. A doubtful situation of an action or activity that may or may not take place is called uncertainty. This is nothing but probability, uncertainty. In clear definition, probability also there here. The numerical measure of uncertainty of an action. When I am going to say uncertainty, because only I given the definition of uncertainty first, then I am giving the probability. The numerical measure of uncertainty of an action or an activity is called probability. But you are tossing the coin, you cannot predict before. You are tossing the dice, you cannot predict first. Clear to you? So after experiment over, then only you can know that one. Clear to you? Then I will go ahead. Next event. When a coin is tossed, getting a head is an event, or tail is also an event. And the probability here, clear formula it is given to you. This is the probability formula. How to find the probability? Probability of an event, it is called E. Number of outcomes that make the event or number of favorable outcomes, that is represented by NE. And total number of outcomes of the experiment is NS. The fraction of that only your probability. So this formula is very important for the probability. Favorable condition upon total number of condition is the probability. One more important thing is complementary events. This is complementary events. You can observe 2-3 different color pens are there. You are going to take out the one of the color is probability. But they are asking the question that particular color not coming, what is the probability? Then you are using the complementary event. It is written as PE bar. So always we are finding the probability when we are subtract from 1, it is complementary probability, that is. Okay. Then I will explain the one sum also here. And see question number 2 here we are taking to support the probability. Just see question number 2. If you read this, a coin tossed 200 times and head appeared 120 times. We want the probability of head only. So favorable conditions 120, total number of conditions is 200. So 120 by 200 is the answer. Simply, and that one. And third also here, find the number of elementary outcomes. Here 3 questions are there. A coin is tied 2 times and a coin is tossed 3 times and a dice is thrown 2 times. Here there is a particular formula I will show to you. According to the formula, question number 2 I explained to you, and question number 3 I am giving the formula to you. You see, formula to find the total number of outcomes for coins is 2 power n. 2 is base, because of 2 faces are there, so base 2. N is number of times you are taking coins or number of coins. Like in the dice also, 6 to the power of n will come. According to that, in the first question, 2 times. So 2 power 2 is 4. In question B, 2 power 3 is 8. So this is the formula 2 power n for only coins. And you go and next for the, you see, just if you are taking the die, so your formula is 6 power n. Just I will show to you, if dice is coming in C is coming, question number 3 C is coming, that is 6 power n, because 6 faces are there. N shows to you how many times you are throwing the dice or how many dice you are taking to throw at once. That is the meaning of dice. Okay, dice also coming in your chapter and coins also coming. In question number 4, if you observe, just you see in question number 4, a dice, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. You can play the snake and snail game. All these games you are using the die 6 spaces are there. You can keep the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of that, how to find the probability one by one. Odd numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. And B question. Question number B. Non-prime numbers. Non-prime numbers. So what are non-prime numbers? 1, 2 is a prime number, so not to take. 3 is a prime number, not to take. 5 is a prime number, not to take. 4. Clear to you? 1, 4, 6. 3 favorable conditions are there. In odd number also 3 favorable conditions are there. In C, a number greater than 4. Greater than 4 is 5 and 6. 2 numbers only there. I am giving each and every question of favorable condition. Totally 6 only. Right? A perfect square numbers like that. See, first answer, odd number means 3 by 6. Non-prime number also 3 by 6. A number greater than 4 is 2 by 6. Like that, D also will give the answer. Particular answers here written, you observe here. So I told to you, odd numbers 1, 3, 5. So here 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. And then in second also the same. 1, 4, 6 are the non-prime numbers. And automatically 1 by 2 only. And C, I am explaining here, you see, a number greater than 4, 5 and 6 only. So favorable conditions 2, total number condition C, answer is 2 1 2 3 right? And D is also the same model only out of this. And question number, one more I am taking is 8 question, is an important. Here you observe, there is a diagram also given. In this diagram you are observing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are there. Out of that, same as the dice taken odd numbers, even number, prime number, the model is same only. The number 4, how many times it comes, you count down in the diagram. So it comes 4 one time only. So favorable condition 1, total number of conditions are 7. Then you see, multiple of 2 means 2 table. 2 table is 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are 6 only. We are have 7 numbers only, 2 4 8 is not there. So 3 upon 7. Odd numbers, less than 7, I mean including 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Clear to you? Total favorable conditions 4, 4 by 7. Like this we are going to write the probability. Then you see D also given here. Prime numbers. If you observe the prime numbers, what are the prime numbers? Here it is mistakenly written, it is 2. It is not 1. 1 is not the prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7. How many numbers are there? 4. So favorable condition 4. Total number conditions are 7. Probability is 4 upon 7. Clear to you? And like this we are going to continue this chapter easy, and a small topic it is introducing to you probability. Thank you very much.